Everybody, lie down! Lie down! No more! Your money or your life!
Please, don't harm me! Please.
I should not harm you!
Yes, please.
What is your name?
My name is Mercy. Mercy. Please, what do you want? I'll give you anything you want. Please, don't hurt me.
Where is your father?
My father is not around.
Your father is not around?
Yes, please, I beg you.
You are the only one in the house.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. What do you want, please? I'll give you anything.
Are you sure you're the only one in the house?
Yes.
Hey, baby. It's me.
Babe, what's the meaning of all this?
What is the meaning of what?
What are you doing here?
I want to see you. Hi.
What's the meaning of all this now?
Baby, calm down. See, there is nothing I cannot do just to see you. See, babe. Wait. For over 9 days now that I've not seen you, I could not sleep. I could not eat. Every time I would be crying. So I did this just to come and see you by all means.
Babe, I'm not comfortable with all this. You don't have to disguise as a thief now.
So you're not happy to see me?
I didn't say that. I'm happy, but you went too far.
I went too far.
Yeah, you scared
Even
me.
the Bible says Jesus Christ will come like a thief in the night. Just for the love that I have for you.
Babe,
should be happy.
You scared me.
I am sorry. I'm only trying to explore. My baby. You know I love you so much. You are the bread in my bakery. So, baby, smile.
Don't try it again because you scared me.
I will try it. If I don't see you, I will try it. But I will not come like a thief. Maybe like a police this time. So you are the only one in the house?
Yes.
Where is your dad?
He stepped out.
Hope he's not coming back anytime soon.
I don't know, but I think he might. Oh. I'm not sure though.
Before he comes, let me enjoy my baby. I've missed you. Hi. My own. Morning. You come? Alright. Baby, you know I like dancing for you. Watch me as I entertain you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. You like it, baby?
Come. Come and sit.
My love.
It's okay.
Hi.
Rest.
See, you know I like dancing for you.
I know.
I love you so much. Hi.
I know, and I love watching you dance. You're so funny.
Yes, I am. For you. There's nothing I cannot do. My love.
Oh, baby, I've missed this moment.
Honestly, whenever I think about this moment like this, I will be crying. My own. I love you.
I love you too. Okay, baby, just hold on, okay? Let me go to the kitchen and get something for you.
Okay, get something. All right. Hi. Babe.
I'm here. Apple.
Oh, that's sweet. The apple of my eyes. That's you.
So I'm gonna feed you?
Yeah, you have to. Love is a beautiful thing.
I'm telling you.
Love is love. Love is love.
I've missed you.
Maybe I was also come and marry you. So you'll be feeding me apple.
There is God, oh.
Baby, you are Eve, I am the serpent.
In the Bible.
Yes, in the Bible.
No. I'm Eve, Adam.
Or Delilah.
I'm Delilah. You're Samson.
Sarah. It's okay. It's okay. You will kill me.
Eat more. Father will not put asunder.
Amen. What?
Who kept this paper? Mercy!
Sir!
Mercy!
Sir, I'm coming! I'm coming! Sir!
Who kept this paper, sir?
Okay, it's me, sorry. I was sweeping. Welcome.
Thank you. Don't try that again.
Okay, Daddy.
You do such thing. Come on now. You're bigger than what you're doing now.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
It's alright.
It was a mistake.
How are you?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you very much. Don't try that again, no.
Okay, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy. Okay, Daddy.
I want to get water from the fridge.
Oh, okay, let me do it for you. Cold or room temperature?
Cold.
The way you like it.
Yes.
I'm coming. Daddy.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hope you're okay.
I'm fine.
All right. Are you okay?
I'm fine, Daddy.
Are you sure?
Yes.
All right.
Daddy,
Yes?
the food is upstairs in your room.
My food?
Yes.
I don't want to eat now. Whenever, if I want to eat, the dining is there, so I'll eat here.
But you like eating in your room. So I take it to your room.
Okay. Don't worry about that. I don't want to eat today.
Okay.
But for now, I don't want to eat, I mean to say.
Okay.
All right. Mercy, can you go to your room?
Why?
I just want you to go. Like, go inside. I want to be left alone.
But I want to stay with you.
No, I want you to go to your room.
Okay.
Yes. What is the problem? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine, Daddy.
Okay.
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
To my room.
No. This is your room.
This is the room. Okay.
Are you sure you're okay? I said your room.
I want to check.
Something inside the kitchen?
Yes.
Go to your room.
Okay, my room.
Yes. I hope this is okay. What? What is it? Cockroach! Sorry. Cockroach. Cockroach. Who are you? Good evening. Mercy. Who is this man?
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend?
Husband to be.
Husband to be.
Want to get married.
And you're scared of Rocco?
My father. He's a nice man.
Okay. Mercy is the reason why you were acting outside. Like you're not comfortable when I'm around. Like when I came in. So you brought a man to my house. How did you get to this place?
Sorry.
Where's my cutlass?
I don't know.
I have phobia for cutlass.
You have phobia for cutlass.
Phobia.